Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. I want to make this video about my Haulmaster 500-pound wheelchair carrier. Now, most of you have seen me use this in my snow removal vlogs, so please go ahead and check out those videos on my channel and in my snow removal vlog playlist. And you can see us use this carrier in action for my Toro 721Rs that I bought this year to complete my snow removal jobs with. So as you can see, this is a great little add-on. I bought this actually from Harbor Freight a while ago, and really I was viewing it as just a simple investment because in all reality it was a couple $100. So I was trying to increase my efficiency and save some physical labor because, as you can see in this picture, the carrier sits much lower than the actual tailgate, and when the tailgate is dropped, it's definitely much higher. I also saved the tailgate from getting further damage with the wheels and whatnot from the snow blowers. They sit really well. I keep a rope on them just for extra security. I really think you would have to hit a massive pothole for one of these machines to go flying out of the barrier that's created. But as you can see, just one guy lifts the front, one guy lifts the back, or both grab a side. And this Haulmaster 500-pound carrier makes it really efficient in and out. As you can see here, it's intended to be a wheelchair and scooter carrier. It does have a 500-pound capacity. So with the snowblowers that I have not being two-stage or anything like that, this carrier really works perfectly fine, and it could even carry much more weight. I'm not 100% sure on the weight of my Toro 721Rs, but I know that even if they were maxing out at a couple $100, I would still have plenty of give on the carrier, on the Haulmaster carrier here. So I definitely viewed this as a simple investment to make. It was, in my opinion, low risk, high reward, or low risk, low reward. And both cases are actually a learning experience, because I'm not really sure if I have fully decided if it's more efficient to use this carrier or just to use it, or just to load the machines in and out of the bed of the truck. So this is my first year using this wheelchair carrier, and as you'll see as we scroll down, I didn't talk about it in the other picture just like this, but for class 3 or better trailer hitches, now I already know that the trailer hitch on my Chevy 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500 can totally carry this kind of weight because I'm pulling a trailer with lawnmowers on it. So it's as easy as sliding it in, slide the pin in, and put your cotter pin through the hole. That's really the most difficult part, is just lifting it in if you're by yourself, and then the rest secures the same way that your lawn care or cargo trailer would be attached. And I found this very simple too, because in all reality, I could possibly get another side work truck and use this for a push mower. But anyways, guys, I've shown you in another video that I am an Amazon affiliate member, so please support me, support my channel and my relationship with Amazon, and check out the links below. I will be leaving links to this specific carrier right here, which is the exact one that I have, so you can pick it up for yourself. Just go ahead, click the link down in my description, and you'll be directed to an Amazon affiliate link. And please, please consider purchasing this if you are doing residential snow blowers and snow removal jobs. So I'll also leave another few links down below that might fit your budget a little bit better. Another one on Amazon doesn't have the drop-down gate, which actually might be a little bit better for some people. So please check them out. Thank you.